Hello friends, welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel Physics Cafe by Manjeet Kaur. In this video, we know how to share PDF file to college or Punjab University, Chandigarh. This video is useful for both students, private as well as regular students. Dear students, I received number of queries for both type of students. Some of the queries are how we share our PDF to college or Punjab University, Chandigarh. Second one is how much time it will take to upload PDF file to college or Punjab University. And the next is can private student upload their PDF of answer sheets through email? Students, in this video I try to give you answers of your every question. So let's start. Here we have some steps to follow to upload answer sheets to college or Punjab University, Chandigarh. Dear students, first you have to make PDF by using Adobe Scan. If you know how to make PDF, then that's good. If you don't know how to make PDF, then you can watch my video. I also pin its link in the description box. Dear students, you also add admit card to first page of the PDF. Students, you can save your PDF first by writing its class name, then university roll number, and then name of the paper. Then open Gmail, click on Compose. Dear students, Punjab University Chandigarh gave us two Gmail. First is for post graduation courses and next is undergraduation courses. For undergraduation courses, Gmail is useexam@gmail.com, and for PG courses, pgexam@gmail.com. Both these emails are useful for private students. Similarly, for regular students can use email provided by their college or department. Next, in subject you have to write class name, university roll number or name of the paper. Then attach PDF from Adobe Scan and then send. So for regular students have to send their PDF to college or department through email ID which is provided by the college to them. And similarly, private students have to send their PDF file both through email and speed post. In case of emergency, that means if your net is not working, server is down, then regular student also submit hard copy of his answer sheet to his college. Similarly, private student, in case of emergency, that means in case of holiday, you can send hard copy of your answer sheet through speed post. So these are the basics of to follow how to send your answer sheet to college or Punjab University. Here I give one example. In form you have to write your ID from where you send your documents to Punjab University or your college, and in 2 I write pgexam@gmail.com for post graduation courses. Similarly, for undergraduate courses you can write useexam@gmail.com, and both these IDs are for private students, and a regular student can use college ID which is provided by their college to them. And in subject you have to write MSc final, then roll number and then name of the paper. Okay, so all this is just a theoretical concept. So let's take a tutorial. Dear students, I also have a PDF which was used by me in my previous video. So I click on it. That is its first page, which is admit card given by university, and this is second page where you have to all information related to you, and this is all under these pages. So this is my PDF. Now you have to change its name. You have to follow Punjab University guidelines, is you have to write first class name, then university roll number, and then name of the paper. So here I write my class, which is BSc final. Students, you have to write your class, which may be BA, BSc, BBA, BCA, BCom. Then after write your name of your class, then you have to write roll number provided by Punjab University, Chandigarh. Then you have to write your paper name. Here I have to write condensed physics. Now from here click OK. Now from here you have to click on save. Now our PDF is ready to share. Dear students, now you have to open Gmail. From here you have to click compose. Here you have to write your ID. There you have to write your college ID for regular students and university ID for private students. And here you have to write first your class name, then university roll number, and then name of the paper. So let's start. Here I have to write uzexam@gmail.com, and here I have to write name of the class, which is BSc final, then university roll number, then name of the paper, which is condensed physics. Now you have to attach your file. From here you can select your file, click on it. From here click on attach file. From here you have to click on it, then click on it Adobe Scan folder. From here you have to select your file, which is BSc final. Click on it. So dear student, here you see your file is present here, and when you press here, your file sent to your college or your university. Students, as we know that we have to use a set of 12 sheets of paper for undergraduation exam and a set of 16 sheets of paper for post-graduation exam. Here I have a set of 12 sheets of paper for undergraduation exam. That is the first page of your answer sheet, where you have to write all information related to you. First is university roll number in figures or in words. Next is name of the student, and third is class or semester, and fourth is name of the paper, and 5th is code of the paper, and 6th is total number of pages written, and 7th is signature, and 8th is date of the examination. So after write all information related to you, then you can start your paper from here. So that is its first page of your answer sheet. Next is you have to use one sideline page like that, and its backside is plain according to university. So this is a set of 12 sheets of paper. So this is the basic criteria how to send your PDF to college or Punjab University, Chandigarh. Dear students, if you need PDF of first sheet, then I will pin its link in description from there. You can download and take print of it. So I hope you like my video. Thank you for watching. Like my video and subscribe my channel.